This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your switch model and firmware, because compatibility matters. Once confirmed, back up the NAND immediately. Next, prepare a 128 GB SD card and a 16 GB USB drive formatted as FAT32 or XFAT. Download the Windows 11 image and a compatible bootloader like U-Boot built for Tegra. This is how you will chain load. Make sure RCM is enabled and your payload injector on the PC is ready. This avoids bricking and lets you proceed to the first boot. Once done with files, flash the bootloader to the SD and copy all required boot files next to the U-Boot binary. You then connect the switch in RCM mode and send the payload from your PC. This launches U-Boot. From the boot menu, enable USB mass storage and point the loader to the Windows 11 install image. Start the Windows installer, partition the USB drive or SD appropriately, because Tegra needs an EFI-compatible layout and correct driver injection before first boot. To finish, complete the Windows setup and immediately install Tegra-specific drivers so the touchscreen, Wi-Fi, and controllers function. Once installed, adjust display scaling and power settings for usable performance. You may need to disable background services and add a swap file to reduce stutters. If you encounter boot failures, reflash the bootloader, verify the Windows image checksum, and revert to your NAND backup if needed. That single backup is the key recovery path, so use it quickly and carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.